Hello guys! We are back and today I finally have my mic fixed and work so you guys can hear my voice this time. So yeah, let's get right into the game that we're gonna play today. So we're gonna play Slot Escape 2. The new one that came out, like, I don't know. It came out in 2017, so right now it's 2019, 2 years ago. That's a long time though. I never seen this game for a long time. So let's just get started. Okay, we're just waiting in a lobby. Like, yeah. It's actually a pretty cool lobby for the game. Turns in I can't move. Why can I move? How about I'll move around the game? How about that? Okay. Just make the screen a little bigger. Yeah, that's big. So, to join the game as soon as possible. Let me make the screen a little bigger for you guys. There we go. Can we move now? Yes, we can move now. So you can't see the bottom area. You can just see half of it. See? You can see half of the coins. 52. How did I get 52 coins? You could buy either these two emotes. You can get these three. I want to get this one. The $100 one, the first one. And a little buddies. Let's actually get one. Yes, we got a buddy. Okay, let's go in the lobby. Wait, let's go in how are you supposed to call this thing? The waiting area to join the game. I don't know, guys. So yeah, just get in and wait for it. It's an easy mode, so everyone might survive. Someone won. I just died right now. See, you can buy coins from here. You get 25 Robux for 50 coins. That's like a good deal right there. 50 Robux for 100 coins. That's like the best deal right there. And same with the bottom ones. 50 gems and 25 gems. I have 5 gems. You guys can't see it. You guys can't see it though. I have 5 gems. I'm level 3, I think. Yeah, I'm 3. You can see it. Okay, let's go. What is this? I'm a little stuffy today. My nose is really stuffed. So yeah, it's really bad. Well, yeah. So a lot of my videos might be like Bloxburg, because I mostly play it with my friends, and yeah, they might be in our videos too. But you guys have to remember the names when they say it. They might be a little annoying, a little not, but it's still worth it. Okay, we got past the first part. In with the water. Look at how much water. We might get drowned. But this is actually an easy level, so this might be a good one. Okay, let's get this button right there. Okay, let's go in with the water. Let's get this button right there. Let's go down and we survive. Yes. Yeah. So we survived the easy level of our the game. So yeah. Next is probably hard, insane. So yeah. See, if there's like a little tiny room, it means like you survived. See, we survived now. Okay, now we're in the hard one. See, a little bit harder. So we gotta go right here and go right here. Oh, I died. How did I die that quick? Oh my god, that's why it's hard. I suck at shots. So let's talk to this guy. I mean, it might be important. And hey there, I'm Ghost Leaf X underdash X. I'm a huge fan of this game. Ooh, me too. Do you want to see space? I'm sure there's something behind one of those walls, which leads you somewhere. These walls or in the game walls? Here, let me go back to you. This one. I don't think I found it yet. Oh, I'm sure it's around somewhere. So for this one, like, you know how I died from doing this part? Then we go like, then jump on it and jump on the next one. So yeah. Now I know what to do in that part. Let's actually spectate Faye Siri. Okay. Ooh, she has actually a nice profile picture. Oh, she died. Oh, that's cool. It's like this wall of like a ghost. And if you go behind the wall, you die. Right now it's normal. Because I don't know what it is. What is that? Oh, it's probably like an extra course or something. Yeah, I used to have that in like the old game too. See, I'm on level 3 because I played with Voice Boy. You know, you're gonna see him now. You're gonna see him in one of my videos in Flood Escape. Yeah, he is a big fan. He is like a big fan of Flood Escape. He knows like every single thing. Probably, I don't know, because he always plays it. I have him as a friend. He's not on the leaderboard. I wish he was like right there on top. Let's go on this the platform, the waiting area to the game. Like I said earlier in the game in the video, the video has been at least 7 minutes and 33 seconds already. Like, oh, that's a long video right there. And the video will end at 15 minutes, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're just waiting for him to. Okay, let's go. Everyone else is going in, so we should too. Fan art, ooh, fan art. I'm actually really good at drawing. As in my friends. So look at that. Ooh, that's a nice drawing right there. I always have a sloppy drawing, but it turns out really good. Yeah. So it's actually we're getting in the next game. So 4 people survived. Actually, that's actually really good. So see the waiting and the what is it called? The finished area. Now we're in. We gotta wait, and there we go. This is one of my favorite ones. I don't know if is this one hard? A hard map? Okay, let's go back. Okay, here it is. Oh, I thought someone fell. Someone actually fell though. I feel so bad. Okay, so let's go. Oh no. Oh yes, I survived. Oh my god, I suck. Oh, something fell. Okay, I suck. Oh my god, I suck really badly. Why, game? Why? Oh, okay, we got 5 minutes left in the video, so you guys have to. I have to. They have to die. Look, one person survived. Are you kidding me? That's easy. It says easy. I died from the easy one. I'm disappointed in myself. Yeah, I am. Oh, yeah, we got the button. So we get an extra coin from that if we survive. Where is this one? There you go. There's going to climb. How did he jump so fast? And we climbed it so fast. Everyone's going to this tunnel and castle, giant castle. There's some buttons. But I think when someone gets that button, they release this and we got 2 buttons already. That's how good we are. We suck. See? It opens up this area, and you hit the button, and we survived! Yes, we survived. The easy one. Wait. Oh, no, it's easy. Now it turns into a normal mod. Oh, I need to exit the camera. Okay, there. Let's see. Okay, this one is a normal one. How's this normal? It looks so easy. Maybe if it's like intense. Oh my god. I like the music. It's like night theme. Like that. Okay, I have to put on my headphones. There you go. Now you guys can hear me louder. Oh, we can survive this. We can survive this. It doesn't take away health, so yeah. So we're going up, and we are in this area. Yes, haha. And we don't die from that acid. Yes. Okay, now we gotta go here, there, done, son, boom, there, boy. We got this. We are winning. We are the champions. Oh, I fell. No, get up there. Yes, we survived. We got level up. We're level 4. We got 5 gems too. We got 10 gems, guys. Oh, we are the champions. Oh no, it's hard. It's hard. Yee. Okay, they're gonna get that one. Opens up the area. I died. I tried to get that button. Oh, I got it, but like I died. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Like, I'm not a girl. Okay. Oh, it's like a practice area right here. So you guys swim down is left shift, and going up is wait, can you use both shifts? Oh no, you can't. So it's left shift to go down, and up is to press spacebar. That's actually a really cool feature. You can actually, like, yeah, so, well, I don't even know what I'm saying, and I suck at doing videos. So you guys are going to probably dislike this video, because I suck at video. Please don't dislike this video. We have 2 minutes in the video, okay guys? I mean, 1 minute. Okay, we can do this. Okay. We are 1 minute into the video. What if we can survive this? We got this, guys. We got this. Oh. I died. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna end this video pretty soon. So, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe and turn that notification bell, because I make videos daily. Now I do, because I suck at videos. Yeah. So, I'll see you later, guys, and goodbye.